Yesterday, as I was doing my research on how to make money online, I came upon to this simple approach that instantly pays me $35 for something that only takes 3 minutes of my time. So today I've decided to make a video about it so you can earn through this method as well. I'm going to show you something that's completely free and simple enough for anyone to do, and it's also accessible from all over the world, so make sure to watch all the way to the end, because if it only took me 3 minutes to earn $35, imagine how much you could earn for an hour of your free time. Now I'll try to keep this video short so you can start making money right away. But before we go any further, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. The first step is to go to this website called pixels.com. This is a website where you can download copyright-free images. Pixels is a premium stock photo and video website, an app that enables designers, bloggers, and anyone else to get high-resolution pictures or videos for free. Now what I want you to do is search for black and white photos. To do that, navigate your way to the search box section right here and type black and white photo, then hit enter. If you scroll down below, you'll notice that they have a lot of black and white photos that you can download. We'll be using these pictures to generate our money later. Okay, the next step is to go to this website called Colorize.com. Colorize is a program that allows you to transform black and white pictures into colorful photographs. In my videos, I don't discuss this website much, but it's essentially a program that enables you to convert your black and white photos into colorful images using artificial intelligence. The AI photo colorizers allow you to colorize black and white photos, yellowish or gray images in seconds. To use this tool, all you have to do is follow 3 simple steps. First, you need to prepare your digital black and white photo, then you need to upload that photo, and finally you can download the colorized photo for free. Isn't that amazing? Now I'll show you how to use this tool because we will be using it a lot. Alright, on the homepage of this website, you'll see a box where you can upload your photo. Click on that and then choose the black and white photo that you want to colorize. You can download some photos from Pixels and then upload them here. It will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize their picture after you've uploaded it, but once done, you'll have a fully colored photo from this black and white photo as previously shown. As simple as that. You can download this colorized photo for free by simply clicking on this download button. You can also do this method using your mobile phone, so even if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still use this AI tool. Now let's try to colorize another photo. All we have to do now is follow the same procedure that we did before. Click on this upload button and then pick your photo. Wait for a few seconds and you've got yourself a colorized picture. You can colorize a lot of photographs if you wish to, and I'll show you how to make money with this free software later on. So stay tuned and don't skip any parts of this video, because in a few moments I'll show you another website that you may utilize to generate money. The reason why I'm showing you these tools is that only a few people know these websites, and you're incredibly lucky to be viewing this right now. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the next website that I'd like to show you today is remove.bg, which is another tool that allows you to remove backgrounds 100% automatically in 5 seconds with zero work. There are roughly 20 million more interesting activities than removing backgrounds by hands thanks to remove.bg's clever artificial intelligence. As you can see, this is an example of a photo with the background removed using this free tool. If I slide the button to one side, I can view a photo with a background. If I slide it to the other side, I can view a photo without a background, and all of this is done using their advanced AI tool. The best thing about this is that it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You may utilize this AI tool for free and then use it later on to make money online, which I'll show you how to do in a moment. But first, let's see how this tool works. On their homepage, you can browse to upload a photo and simply drag and drop a photo in the box. I'll try to use this image as an example. As you can see, they remove the background from this photo in a matter of seconds, and after you can download this photo for free by clicking on either of these two links. If you want a higher resolution, you can simply click here and it will now be downloaded straight to your computer. Like the previous websites, you can also do this to your mobile phone, computer, or laptop. The next website that I'll show you is called Fiverr.com. I'm aware that many of you are already familiar with this website, but for those who aren't, it's an online platform where freelancers can sell their services to customers all around the world. What you need to do now is to go to the search box and type in Colorize photo and then hit the search button. You will now see a lot of people who are selling this type of service, and as you can see, the payment ranges from $5 to $25, and all they have to do is colorize photos using the website that I've mentioned earlier. You can simply upload a black and white photo and the Colorize AI tool will do all the work for you. Right now, in order to earn money from Fiverr, you must first create an account, which you can do by clicking on becoming a seller right here. Then you must go to this page where you can sign up as a seller for free by filling in the required information. Feel free to navigate through their page so you can learn more about this site. Now moving on to the next one, let's go to peopleperhour.com, which is similar to Fiverr. All you have to do is search for background removal and then you'll be able to see all of these people who are selling their service. The payment for this type of skill ranges from $10 to $35, which is a lot of money you can make by simply removing backgrounds from photos, and you don't have to do much because you can just use remove.bg to do so. To begin selling your services on peopleperhour.com, you must first sign up for a free account, which you can do by clicking on this link at the top of the page. When you get there, make sure you click on I want to work as a freelancer and then fill out the necessary information needed. Now that you have accounts on both Fiverr and People Per Hour, you can begin selling your services on these websites. For example, if you want to colorize black and white photos, you can use Colorize.com. And if you want to remove the background from a photo, you can use remove.bg, and you can do this again and again until you have your desired income. So what are you waiting for? Try it now for yourself. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you like similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar content like this, take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video!